record it. There we go. First Fury cast on official BetFury live stream. I'm gonna start everything all over again. No, I'm just playing. So I'm gonna just record this and put it on YouTube since it is the first official podcast. 550 BSW profit from launch pool. Okay, that's not bad at all, actually. That's really good, but the chart does look actually pretty good to be loading up your bags, honestly. Now, everything I'm saying sounds good. Everything, that you guys are hearing me say, it's all positive, right? But I want to also cover the negative side. Now, if this loses the support, then it's going to create, of course, it's going to become the new resistance, and then it's going to drop lower until it starts seeing a new support. Now, the bad thing is we don't know how low it could go because it's just empty space. There's no support anywhere, so it could go as low as 1 cent, stuff like that. We don't know. So hopefully this support level does not get lost. Hopefully the bulls manage to have support onto it and manage to pump it up. Even if it just stays hovering around there, plus or minus maybe like 2-3 cents, I want to say, would be good. I don't mind it. Big ass wick right here. Oh my god. Somebody got freaking railed. I don't trust that right there. But yeah, man, you gotta be very careful about that. Don't go all in. Never do that, please. Always diversify your portfolio, and of course, take profits as you go. But yeah, that's BSW. Small little video for you guys. But on to the next topic, man. Who here has gone into XEN? I hope majority of you guys have gone in. Don't miss out on this opportunity, man. Do not. Two wallets? That's it, boy? That's all you got? I know a lot of people freaking go crazy whenever I start saying this and compare it and all that, but hey, I'm gonna do it either way. So Hex started at 3 zeros and a 1-7. As of right now, I think XEN is like 4 zeros and a 3, I want to say. I'll go ahead and do it again. I'm going to look it up. It is 4 zeros and a 3-4, which is fine. The total supply for Hex, 633 billion. Total supply right now, we don't know. At least CoinMarketCap doesn't show it. But I'm pretty sure it's up there. It's probably like 200 billion or 150 billion. I don't know, somewhere around there. If you guys know it, the exact number, let me know. I'm too lazy to go look it up right now. But not even that. 7-day, I'm not worried about it, man. I'm not even worried for the next 2 weeks, 2 months. This is still going to be a long-term hold. This is how you mint XEN. I am under the Polygon network, so they are a multi-chain minting right now. Ethereum, Binance, Polygon, Avalanche, Ethereum Proof of Work. They just launched Evmos and Moonbeam literally like 3 hours ago. No, I think that was midday actually. So 8 hours ago, if I remember correctly. I did a lot under Ethereum. I did about $600 worth of fees on Ethereum, about $100 of Binance Smart Chain. Polygon has treated me the best. I have done about $25 worth of fees, and I've done a lot of wallets. I have not done Avalanche, POW, and of course not these two because they just launched and I just got home. So XEN.network, this is the website. You can look it up yourself. I don't even think I'll be able to put it onto the chat, but you make sure you collect the right network. Click mint. Of course, this wallet is already has already started. I'm gonna be able to claim 25 million coins in about 351 days. Now you're like, wow, that's not that many coins. I know. I know. It's not that many. But 25 million coins, majority of mine are in the 20 million. A lot of them, actually. I'm gonna round down. I have 200 and something wallets right now. So, what is it? Billion coins? Even if Zen goes down to 4 zeros and a 1, that's still $20,000. That's crazy. And all I paid was like $700 or something like that. Um, on the max days, I don't suggest it. If you want to, you can. What I have been doing myself is, because I have so many wallets, on wallet number 1, for example, right? I do 300 days. Wallet number 2, 305 days. 307, 310, 314. So whenever I'm able to claim, technically, you get me, I will be claiming a paycheck every week, twice a week, or however pattern you want to do. That way you'll be collecting money consistently, man. That way in day 300 you'll collect money, and then if the next week after that one the price pumps, you'll be able to cash out literally even more money for yourself. And then let's say you continue to cash out money. If let's say another month after that first claim, Zen goes up another, I don't know, 100%, you'll be able to claim even more. Instead of being able to claim once on day 350 or whatever, and then selling it, and then the price pumps 3 days later, you're gonna regret that. But having multiple claims on different days will benefit you the best. Definitely. I freaking love this one, man. So, of course, global ranking is pretty much how many wallets or however many people are in. 5.2 million. Mine is number 1.3 million. And I think the lowest one I have is 600,000, which is really low, man. Stupid low. So many people got in. The AMP is going to decrease by 1 every single day. The estimated, I'm going to go into the dashboard actually. Let's see, the early adopter amplifier will go down by 0.1% for every 100,000 increase, okay? So this one's already at 4.8. This will eventually go to 0. And the APY will go down 1% every 90 days. What all of this technically means is that once these start getting lower and lower and lower and eventually to 0, the amount of coins you will get will be so low that your amount of max term days is going to have to be in the $1,000, $2,000, not dollar, but the 1,000 day zone. Let's say I want to mint coins today, right? No, I don't want Ethereum. Polygon. Let's say I want to mint these coins today, and today I lock it up for 351 days, for example. Let's say I'm going to get 25 million today. If I do the same steps next month and I do the same exact days, I will get way less coins. If I would want to get this amount of coins next month, I'm going to have to claim and lock up my coins for like 500, 600 days in order for me to be able to get this amount of coins. So the longer you wait, the longer you're going to have your term days in order for you to have a bigger bag. The early birds get the worm, man. Big time. The earlier you were into this, the way more coins you're going to get. Now, if you don't want to make 100 or 200 wallets, there is an application, a coin tool. This is the website, cointool.app. I do not suggest it, but if you want to use it, that's fine. It's all up to you. There's no promises, there's no guarantees that you will get your coins with this website. So it's like, it literally will do batches for you. It can do every single network there is. I do Polygon. I wasn't going to do this, But I said, you know what? Screw it. I'm just gonna do it. We'll see what happens. If it doesn't give me the coins, then so be it. I'll just end up not getting the coins. So a third party type of contract is going to take care of your coins. You can select on there, maximum wallets would be 128. The term days, I want to do, let's say 155 days. I don't know, something random. So all I got to do is click mint, and it's going to pop up your fee, which of course, I don't even think I have enough because I've been doing so much. You don't have enough. Oh no. Oh no. Wow, the fees are actually cheap right now. 1.63. Did it drop? Wow, never mind. I think I might be able to afford it. It literally dropped by half in that 2 seconds that I waited. Wow. So now if this goes through, it will make 128 wallets under one single contract, and it's going to lock it up for 155 days. And they will all show up right here. It will take a very long time though. This literally took like 10 minutes for it to approve the smart contract. Oh, that's funny. But yeah, 128 wallets. You're not gonna have like access to all 128 wallets. It's literally just in one single smart contract that will do everything for you. Now, there's that risk that, let's say 155 days are up, right? And you come over here to claim all of your coins. There is that small risk to where the coins will not go to your wallet. It will go to their wallet. So you're taking that risk, man. It's a 10-second step to do, but you're just not guaranteed. This website has not been like 100% safe. There's no guaranteed about it. So in case you use it, man, don't use your wallet. Use a dummy wallet like I did. I just created one random ass wallet, and it's the only one connected to this website. And that's it. And just put in some Polygon on there. I would suggest putting at least 3 Matic on there. 3 Matic, and do maximum numbers because there is a limit, and however many days you want to. You can do multiple wallets, multiple terms. Up to you, really. Just be very, very safe, man. Eventually this should go through. Hopefully sometime soon, so I can show you guys everything. It's actually crazy, yo. I was very, very skeptical, and I made a whole YouTube video about this, but I thought about it, and I do not want to miss out. In case this is real and anything, I mean, I technically didn't lose anything. Like, if I lose the coins, yes, it's gonna suck. If they get access to my wallet, I won't even care, man, because it's a burner wallet. It's one of them BS wallets I don't even use. We doing anything else than Zentik? Yes, we're still gonna cover a lot more. Yeah, some of you guys already know all of this. I'm just waiting for this to be like come up with. Probably gonna take a long ass time because sometimes the networks and everything is covered up pretty bad. Best mine, bear market, best miners to buy. Price predictions. I'm reading my schedule, seeing what else I could do next. So I have a few things I can cover today. Right here. No, right here. Okay. Any other projects that you're looking for? Poly sometimes tweaking. Yeah, it's Polygon itself sometimes is really laggy. What other projects that you are looking for? What do you mean? Like, what other coins I'm like buying, or what's up? There was another. Here it is. Here's this one. I don't want to refresh this either because I'm scared that the transaction might fail and not go through. I'm gonna wait a couple more minutes and hopefully it did go through. Yeah, it hasn't gone through just yet. Oh, actually, I do want to go over one thing real quick. I'm gonna go through the BSC scan. I'm gonna look up the BFG token. Some of you guys were asking me questions about that also. And I'm gonna chart it real quick. I wanna see how it looks. $20? Really? Wow. That's crazy. Can't believe it's already been like a year since this coin came out, man. Almost exactly a year on DICE. You got some balls to be doing that, bro. Because it is creating so many wallets and transactions, and so many people are trying to do the same thing, the volume is very high right now. So it will probably take a while. I stepped away from this for like 15 minutes and I came back and it was done. So I don't know exactly how long it takes. And I really don't want to refresh the whole entire page. Hopefully it's good though. Let's see. BFG price though. 1 cent, 3/10. It's literally hovers around that same price for a long time, man. I don't even know what to say about it. Other than, I guess, just buy and hold, not financial advice. Do your own research. This is looking kind of, I want to say maybe like here. We could see a little bit lower, unfortunately, by the looks of it. So we do have I want to say about there. Give or take. I'm using the wicks, so it's not 100% accurate. I usually go with the bodies, but because look how this crazy the candlesticks look here, I'm gonna just go with the wicks for now. Let's see. After I busted my BFG, I stopped watching BFG price. I know, 50 cents. I think it is possible for BFG, especially if they continue burning the price and everything, for sure. But it's gonna take time. I know it is. Oh, I forgot to add my information on here. My indicators. I use the EMA moving. No, it's the MA. Yeah, I do the MA twice. If you guys want to copy me, that's fine. Here's another lesson for you. So this charting is on TradingView. TradingView.com? Is it .com? Let me check that real quick. I don't want to tell you guys the wrong one. Yeah, TradingView.com. This is the best one. I use that one specifically for everything, for charting, for all that stuff. So TradingView.com, you go on there, create an account. And this is the settings that I have on mine. And this works for everything: stocks, crypto, gold, whatever, right? Futures. It works for pretty much everything. I love it. It is so freaking good, man. So what you want to have on here is also, I'm gonna have to have the RSI on here. And here is the RSI. RSI is actually really low. It's in the 35s. What I usually like to have it at is around 40 to 55. And around this zone is normal. Above this is overbought, so it's gonna drop. And below this is oversold, so it's gonna pump up. Just another indicator about this going up. Yeah, I'm gonna go into detail about all of this. Okay. Wait, does this one pop up whenever? No, you can't. Okay, I don't think so. So I'm gonna have to do this one. Oh, I can maximize it. I forgot you can do this. Yay! Alright, cool. Okay, so below here is the RSI. And these lines are just trend lines that I do. What you mostly want to do is have at least 3 dots connecting. So here's my 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots. You know, it doesn't have to be perfect and it doesn't have to touch exactly the way you want them to. So now here's my 1 dot, pretty almost 2, 3, and I'm expecting a 4th one to be somewhere down here. Now the settings that I have for this is the MAs. I do the 13 close, and I'm gonna set that to purple. And I do 1334 close. I set that one to, was that purple or pink that I chose? There we go. And I gotta thicken that one though. I need a thick bitch. I need to see this one a little bit more thicker. Right there. Okay. Okay, let me explain to you guys. And this literally comes great for token price predictions and when to get in and when to get out. I'm gonna try my best to explain it as much as I can. Please bear with me, okay? So whenever you create your account, have these settings, you can just click on here on the little gear right here and just start adding some on there. Now, you can have the volume. It shows you the buys and sells, you know, right here. The MA is the moving average. I'm doing the 13 days and 34 moving average. These two, the close, not the open, the close. This line right here that you're seeing, the pink one and the purple one, that's just a trend line. Every 13 days, this line starts moving and it goes a certain direction, and the 34 also. So here is the trick that I do. Whenever the 13 crosses, see how this 13 line is above, right? Whenever that 13 crosses down, it's bearish. I'm literally giving you guys free advice. The fuck? I'm literally giving you guys free charting tips and about how to get in, how to get out, money, all that stuff. I don't see why you wouldn't want to take notes on this. But as I was saying, so the 13 goes down. You see this right here. The 34 crosses above it like this. It means bearish, the price is going to go down. Look at this right here. Look at the price of BFG. Down, 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 down. And we just don't count the wicks. Count the bodies. Because you see how the wicks go all the way up? It's not accurate as much. We need pretty much the whole entire candle to be on top. So, I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. As you guys see right here, the 13 crossed up It crossed up on the 34. It means bullish. Bullish means the price will go up. It's expected to go up. See what happened where price went up. And you see how close the 1334 is? And look at the candles. They're undecisive. You're like, oh, are you gonna cross? No, you're not gonna cross. Oh, right here maybe? No, you see? This is the action you're seeing. And then the 13 spiked up, and that's where the candlesticks are like, okay, all right, buddy, we're bullish. We're going with you then. So boom, it spiked up, and there went the price of BFG. Then a few days later, look at the 13. The 13 crossed down right here, and the price dropped. And that's where it was like, okay, I guess we're bearish now, buddy. Let's go down. And here it is. We're bearish. And the price goes down. And it literally does this every time. Boom. 13 crosses. Very small cross and a fast one, too. This is like a 1-2 day cross. Boom. Crossed it. Up we go. Here is the cross right here. We went up. A bearish cross right here, and the price went down a little bit, but then we crossed right here and it went up. So this pattern works amazing, man. I'll freaking love it. So the 13 crossed down, and look at the price. There will be fake outs, though. I can tell you that. There are going to be fake outs. Like this one right here. It crossed for a bullish, but it was only bullish for this one day right here. And then it started literally touching each line. Both lines started touching, and it was undecisive until it crossed exactly right here. And that's where you saw this leg down. That's what confirmed the bearish move all the way down below. It's everything that I use, man. It's just an indicator about when to get in, when to get out, when to take profit. These lines here are telling me, hey, this price could potentially start doing, more downside, more upside. It's this small little downward channel here that you see. You'll probably see it retest up here around to 1.7, and we'll probably come back down, and then start hovering back up. Stuff like that, man. So hopefully you took notes, because it's a very important tool to know for its stocks, tokens, whatever. You can literally put these settings on any coin there is. Matter of fact, I want to do one. Solana. There it is. Boom. I'm not even logged in. Yeah, I'm not logged in. Oh well. It's good, it's good. So this is the 1 day chart. Which lines? These two right here? Yeah, these two lines, they're pretty much like the support. Sometimes they're the support, resistance, and it just kind of gives you an idea of where the candlesticks can go, potentially. I can show it better on here, actually. Let's see. I do need to log in, actually. I think it'll be a better idea for me to log in. That way I won't have to do everything all over again. And log in. Got it. Dark mode. Huh, it didn't save my... Unless I have it on another. Solana. Oh, that's weird. Sold to USD, sold to USDT. It didn't save any of my information. Wow. Oh well. I guess I do have to freaking do this all over again. I should have just done this one from the get-go. The volume is already there. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, click on indicators. My favorites are here. I don't know why it didn't. I don't know. And the RSI, Relative Strength Index. So these are the 3 settings to go to. They should make boxes for broke people and rich. Yeah, that's true. I agree though. The boxes are pretty bad. Let's see. So yeah. So I'm gonna do thickness, inputs, chart, close, 13. And this one's gonna be the 34. Style, purple, thick. Oh shoot. There we go. So I put in my values of 1334, the volume. I'm gonna step aside for the volume real quick. What else am I missing? I think that's it. So you can see very easily on here the cross, the bearish cross, and the price went down. You see the bullish, where is it at? A little bit of a bullish cross right here, and the price went up. It almost faked the bullish action though. The big cross that determined Solana, and I saw it too, was this right here. Whenever this 13 crossed down like this, it was around $101, I remember, and I mentioned that Solana was gonna drop hard. This cross right here determined it all. This is what made Solana drop so hard, man, like crazy hard. And now it just stays flat. It's staying flat for the longest time ever now. Oh yeah, bro, definitely. In the long run, Solana is gonna be worth $1,000. I already know it. I know that for a fact. And I can't wait, man. I'm loading up on Solana. I really want Solana to go down here. $16 to $19 is what I really want. So the lines that I was using, Chris, are the support lines. Remember that you need at least 3 points of contact for your support to work. Minimum of 3. So you mainly the supports are like moves that go from the bottom and like jump up. Like an example, my bad. An example would be like this one would be a good support. You see how close red and then green, and then it bounced up, then it started going down, and then it did the same thing, and then again. So you could use that one as a very good support line. This one too. So this one started down, and then it had a very good pump on the upside. So 1, 2, 3. It doesn't have to be perfect. So 1, 2, 3, and you can draw your line all the way right here, give or take. So we are actually hovering around the support line of Solana. No problem. To buy anything is insane. When do you think the market will go back to normal, and what will make people to buy crypto like crazy? Okay, very good question, Chris. So let me tell you. There's always something that's going to trigger a bull run. It's always something big that makes crypto expand, more available to new people, because of course we need newbies to come along with their money and everything. And I ask good questions, yet I'm dumb. Nah, man, nobody's dumb. Don't worry, man. That's what I'm here for. Let me explain to you. I'm gonna actually do this real quick. Well, I'm not using the Solana chart anymore. BTC. But yeah, Solana, $1,000, not financial advice or anything. Make sure you do your own research. But I know it's gonna go to 1,000. I already know it is. Okay. So, I'm gonna zoom out, man. Bear with me, okay? I'm gonna do the 1-year chart on the Bitcoin USDT price. Everybody asked that too. Like, what is gonna make the next bull run? What will make it go even higher? What, all this stuff asking about this. Yeah, I gotta say that, man. I just have to. I don't want to get in trouble. In 2017, the bull run of 2017, I remember it like as if it was just yesterday. The crypto Bitcoin price went from, it was like 1,200, if I remember correctly, or 3,300. I can't remember. It went all the way to 17,600 and some change, or something like that. 17,800. And people went crazy, man. For the first time ever, Bitcoin exploded, and it went to billions and billions of dollars in market cap. Everybody, of course, was hyped. But what triggered it? This is exactly... Hold up, I gotta do my transition. Swoosh. I don't know exactly how far I gotta do. I gotta do the little animation. Okay, I'm back. So... What triggered the 2017 bull market was the ICO phase. The initial coin offerings. You can look it up on Google, you can do, look up different coins, but what made it so huge and explode is what people were doing was that they were creating their own little shitcoin, literally. They were just creating one random ass coin. People were finally figuring out how to create and make their coin a utility coin, blah, 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 right? So now any average Joe, any average little trader could easily make a coin and put it out for sale, right? So that's where the IPO comes in. IEO was also a big part of the 2017 bull run. That stands for Initial Exchange Offering. Exchange offerings was, for example, Binance Exchange came out. I think it came out for like $3 or $4 per coin. I can't remember exactly the price, man. Or I think that was the public sale. I can't remember from the top of my head. But I remember at that time Binance pumped to like $9, man. And it was a glorious day for me because I got in at very cheap prices. Now I regret not selling all them coins that I had, man. I had a lot. A lot of people were coming into crypto and they were trying to make money. So what they would do is put in their life savings. They would put in a loan. The new crypto newbie would put in his paycheck into the ICO. The initial coin offerings. Them coin offerings were starting off, it would depend. Sometimes they would have a private sale. Sometimes they would have a seed sale, a public sale. It would just depend on how many stages they would have. All of these offerings accepted Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum. From my knowledge, that was like the main three that people were using. Because crypto was still like a stage, you get me? So people were buying Bitcoin out the ass, Ethereum out the ass, Litecoin out the ass. So all this people were coming into here, flooding their money, buying Bitcoin, buying Ethereum, pumping up the price. They were paying whatever it took to be able to get into the ICO because the ICOs were cheap. the projects, the scammy projects, were launching their coin for like 5 cents. And then for the private sale, it was like 2 cents. The public sale was like 10 cents. So by the time it went from the seed sale, private sale, public sale, the coin would already be at a 10x. And what many people didn't realize was that by the time the public sale came, whenever all of them newbies were flooding into the public, the new fresh money was being pumped into the market. The old money that already got into the private sale and all that super early at a cheap price, they managed to go in there and take the new money out. And they were already at a 10x. The newbies came over here thinking the price was going to go pump and that they were going to make such and such amount of gains. Well, the people, the private investors and, the smart ones got in early. By the time the public sale got in through, they dipped. And well, here comes mad Cinderella over here that he lost all of his and her little corns. And there he goes buying more because he wants to make up the money that he lost. And then he saw, or she saw, another ICO that he wants to invest. And then it was just a cycle. There was millions and millions and millions of dollars just rinse and repeating. And that's what made the 2017 bull run, well, at least the majority of that bull run, happen. Now, on this recent, they always find a way, man, to find a scam, any type of way. So this recent bull run, once Bitcoin broke through that 17,800, yes, exactly, there is. But the cycles are getting longer. I'll go into detail about that here in a bit also. So whenever Bitcoin broke upward and broke out onto that high of the 2017 bull run, 17,800 or whatever it was, that meant that this bull run was in action. But what triggered this? Two things triggered this. One was DeFi. People were able to swap, people were able to add liquidity, and people were also able to pretty much bridge. All that stuff made it possible for the bull run to happen. And think about it, okay? Millions of dollars have to be into a liquidity pool in order for investor number one to put in money to get coins out. Investor number two sell his coins to be able to get investors one BNB, all that stuff for him to exchange, all that stuff comes in and out, right? So there has to be liquidity in there. That's what triggered this bull run right here. DeFi itself. The second thing that triggered this bull run was NFTs, non-fungible tokens, which is the collectible side. Whenever Bored Ape was taking effect, it pumped like crazy. And whenever Solana NFTs came out, they still did good. BNB collectibles came out. The main one was Ethereum. And whenever Ethereum was getting pumped, the gas fees were high. People needed more Ethereum, so they kept on buying more and more and more. So that's what made this recent crypto bull run go crazy. The next one, the high, let me read the chat real quick. Hey, I just saw this. How are you doing? I'm really, really good. Thank you so much. What about you? I hope you're enjoying the Fury cast, man. First day, official date, 100% out. So still no one knows? Nope. Nobody, man. A lot of people say it's the government. Some people say, it's a group of people. And majority of the speculators say it's just one guy that was a genius and wanted to say, screw you, government. I'm creating my own stuff. So it's pretty cool, man, to think about that. But I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know, not financial advice, but crypto does have a cycle. So 2017 was the top of the bull market. I'm gonna go ahead and select that part right there. Bull market. The recent bull run that happened was technically, it was like 20 late. When did it happen? Yeah, late 2020. That's what I wanted to say. Late 2020, give or take, is whenever this bull run happened, and it peaked out at around, let me see, I think the high was like 69K, something like that. The peak here was about 17-ish, $18,000. What's going to happen next? So it took about, I'm gonna round up and say 4 years for this to happen. The bull runs do go about 4-year increments, but the cycles are getting longer. And I don't know if you guys know, but the Bitcoin halving also happens, which you have to keep that in mind also. The Bitcoin halving means the reward block gets split. It decreases a lot. I'm gonna pull up the chart. So the next one that is going to happen is in 2024, if I remember correctly. And the miners are just gonna get less rewards, man. In Bitcoin, the reward will drop from 6.25 Bitcoin to 3.125 Bitcoin. So the supply is it's gonna be harder to mine Bitcoin. Way harder, way harder, man. And you gotta think that also, okay? You gotta make sure you know these type of things. In 2024, I think it's next May, I think, maybe. When is the next one? I think people were estimating next May or somewhere around that area. I'm not 100% sure. But as the years get longer, man, I do estimate, this is my own prediction. I'm just going to draw a random line right there, okay? I do think that in the year 2026, early 2026, late 2026, one of the two is going to be the next bull run. May to July. Yeah, somewhere around there. I couldn't remember exactly the day. But yeah, I predict that the next bull run is going to be in around 2026. That is, of course, 3 years from now. If you put from perspective the 2020, whenever it did start, that is about a 6-year wait. Technically 6 years. If you want to put it from the top, it's 5 years. That's whenever I expect Bitcoin to hit an all-time high of, I know people are going to call me crazy, but Bitcoin's going to get out, in my eyes, based off of my experience in crypto and what I have seen, based off of the years, based off of charting, based off of many, many, many things. This is my Bitcoin price prediction by 2026. And you can go ahead, laugh all you want, man. I believe it. I believe it could happen. Maybe not even 2026. It could be potentially 2027. But the bull run, I do think, is going to start 2026. It may not, be perfect. But around this area is whenever Bitcoin is gonna peak at around 400K. I actually remember seeing an article. Let me see if I can find it. I hope I do find it, man, because it's crazy. Some people actually did notice the chart. There we go. I did find it. Oh, hell yes. BFG 50 cents and BSW, I want to say probably like 69 cents here in the mid to long term, simply because of some factors going into there. I am telling you, my friend, that's this exact thing. As long as BTC is under 40K, you just buy what you meant exactly. And or every month and everything. Yep. The peak was 70 to 80. It was 60, I think it was like right around 68, 69K. Now, I'm about to show you something that blew my mind. Okay? Some of these people behind the scenes, behind the cameras, they know something and they do not want to share it. But they love to give out hints. This is what I'm referring to. I'm going to show you this. After I show you this, believe me, you're gonna get hyped. You're gonna want to buy Bitcoin. And you're gonna realize a lot of things too. Look at this. This is literally the news. Look at this. 2014. Bitcoin falls below the $400 mark, down more than 60% from its all-time high. That means the bull run was around 2013. 4 years later, in 2017, was the bull run. 2018, Bitcoin falls further below 4,000. Crypto continues to plunge. Bitcoin briefly tumbles below $40,000 to the lowest since September. Look at this. They're literally putting it in your face. 2012, 2013 was that bull run. 4 years later, 2017 was the bull run. And then in 2018, crypto falls. And 2020 was the bull run. And then this one comes out shortly after that Bitcoin falls below. So $400, $4,000, $40,000. Okay. Please tell me you're not stupid, right, chat? Please tell me you're not stupid. This also proves where I'm getting my 400K. And also, I'm not saying 400K because of that, newsletter, whatever it is, article. I've been saying 400K before, way before all of this. Okay? Yep. It's crazy, man. It is crazy. So expect Bitcoin to go to 400K in around 2026, 2027. And I pray the Lord that you remember this day, this stream. I hope you remember me. All that stuff. So it's just crazy, man. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Oh, man. But some people are just too hard-headed. They don't know what to do. They still want to say, it's not a real coin. It's not currency. It's not this and that. It cannot make you rich. Boy, what the heck are you talking about? It cannot make you rich. Whatever. Yeah, oh yeah, please do remember Maya too. I love that. I appreciate also bringing up Maya. Yeah, man, you gotta pay attention to this. It's potential. Good, I'm glad you did. It'd be crazy, man, if if you come back to me and you message me like, yo, you were right, bro. That would be crazy. Now think about it. If Bitcoin goes to $400,000, what will Ethereum be? If Bitcoin goes to 400,000, what will Litecoin be? What will Solana be? What will BNB be? BNBB. Ta, that's funny. And what will Solana high $1,000 be, right? That's my prediction. Ooh, and also, what will BFG's price be? 10x? 20x? 30x? Not financial advice. Please do your own research. Keep in mind, this is only for entertainment purposes. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck that was. I remember you. Listen, one Bitcoin will show you how to get unlimited OLand. Right. Don't be doing that to me just because I didn't show you the hack that I have for that one website. Yeah, if Bitcoin increases, man, that means it's over. So in the main question, what the fuck? The main question that we all have, that I have, is in 2017 ICOs. 2020 was the NFT DeFi. What is this going to bring that will pump this right here? I do have a prediction. Do you guys want to hear it? No, I don't know about trading that information. maybe one day. Maybe next year. A lot of people are asking that. What's going to create this next bull run? What's going to make it go to this price? My prediction, write this down, remember it, I hope it comes true. I believe that the next bull run, the thing that will trigger it, is going to be, drum roll please. That was not a good drum roll, but it's going to be Metaverse and play to earn games. Think about that. Metaverses are huge. They tried to do good this bull run, but it did not take off. Axie Infinity was probably the only one that did manage to pull it through. But then, I don't know if you noticed it, but then they got hacked out of nowhere. And they got so much money taken out. They got, a lot of people bashed them. Big companies started going at them. News reports started going against them, saying, this is why it's not safe to get into these play to earn, blah, blah. Bro, they hammered down Axie Infinity. Why? It's not time for them to shine. Not yet. They didn't want play to earn and Metaverse games that will earn crypto to take off yet. They are gonna hold off on doing that. I hope I opened your eyes. I hope I blew your mind right now. And I want you to realize that it's coming. And I do believe that the Metaverse, the play to earn aspect, is coming, but it's gonna be on the 2026-2027. They didn't want it to blow up in this bull run because people knew that it was gonna be way too much hype, too much money, too much volume. People were gonna make too much money. They weren't gonna make money. We were. They weren't. They are still trying to get ahead of the game. I'm talking about the big dogs, man. The people that are pretty much behind this whole entire scene. But eventually in 2026, 2027, expect news outlets, expect big companies partnering up with play to earn games, saying this is the next big thing, better than sliced bread. Coca-Cola is gonna start coming out with their own game. So much stuff, man. Decentraland was doing good, and then all of a sudden it died out of nowhere. Sandbox did really good, then it died 100%, like almost the whole time. These projects and metaverses, play to earns, were doing so good, but the news and everything else combined, they pushed it aside so it wouldn't get as much into stuff. I did get some Axie Infinities as well. Change the economy at itself. Second, Metaverse, yeah, for sure. Third, the new source of energy for mining. The most important people will learn crypto, understand, and trust blockchain structure. True, but not everybody is going to want to mine now Bitcoin. But mining Bitcoin now, it's going to be mainly for the big manufacture like infrastructure, the big guys that have the big buildings that are actually can afford the land, the ones that can actually control the heat and have good like heat cycles where it can keep cool, the electricity bill where it's cheap. You know, they have loopholes around that to where they can get cheap electricity and benefit them. You know, the average person will not be able to mine at home anymore. And whenever the big manufacturers or you know, miners start taking over, they are going to be the ones in control of the Bitcoin price. If they say 400,000 Bitcoin is what they want, they will make it their goal to make it happen. Not any less. And whenever they start selling and selling and selling, it's going to plummet hard. 100% of the time people get scammed is their fault. That is very true. Oh man. Yeah, everything's a risk, man. Everything is a risk. You just gotta know not to go all in. Yeah, the scams and hacks and all that is very normal, man. I understand that. Definitely. But you gotta admit they bashed Axie Infinity like a motherfucker though. But yeah, Metaverse, play to earn 2026, 2027 is my prediction. You know, if I'm off by like 6 months, you know, 2025 June, 2027 June, or 2028, I guess you would say June, whatever. You know, hey, I was close enough, man. Yeah, not yet. The best time to start investing, man. The best time to start investing is whenever you start seeing this. Not even investing, accumulating. What's going to happen here? I'm gonna compare. So this is Bitcoin, okay? I hope you see the pattern that I'm trying to show right now. And to sell, my life went down. Damn. Oh my god. I actually sold decently at a good time. I sold all of my Tron. I sold a good amount of my Bitcoin. I sold BNB. And I sold, what else did I sell? Litecoin. I had like 40 something Litecoin. Not that much. And man, what else did I sold Hex. I can't remember like any other good big coins that I sold. Can't remember from the top of my head, but I sold all of them and purchased this house. I paid off my Audi. I paid off a couple of things more. You know, so I sold at somewhat a decent time. I could have had a lot more though, but nobody can time it perfectly though. Yeah, it's good though. It's good. But this is the perfect time to be buying. So I want to show you a pattern that I saw. So you see this little pattern right here? I'm actually going to try and trace it. So, boom. Well, actually, no, that's going to be the wrong one. I'm going to trace this pattern right here. It goes up like this, down a little bit, up a little bit, down, and then it starts fluctuating. Okay. So I'm going to try and... Can I even move it? Yeah, I can. So you see this pattern right here was in 2017 bull run. And then it started slowing down a little bit. This is the 2027 bull run. I probably can't match it a little bit. Yeah, I definitely won't be able to match it. Nah, that was a fail. Oh well. But you can see that you see this pump up. That's this pump up right here. And then you see this small little dip right here. That's this dip. And then you see this little pump. You see this little pump? Where's it at? Yeah, this pump right here. is this one. This downward trend, look at this downward trend a little bit. Look what's happening down here. It's exactly the same right there. I'm sorry guys, I hope you guys are actually seeing the pattern though. So this downward side right here is this right here. It's just in a macro scale. So what's gonna happen? This is the next pattern that Bitcoin's gonna do. Is this one right here. Oh yeah, I know I did. I had a high hopes of Tron, man. Man, I really did think it was gonna go to like $1, but I'm glad I did sell it though. The lovely Matic. Oh yeah, man. I remember I got into Matic with my buddy, but I sold way too early, man. I saw Matic at like crumbs, man. My buddy kept saying to get in, and I was like, you know, I don't know, blah blah blah. But this right here, you see the bottom, and then it bounced up. I expect this to happen right here. We're gonna go something like this, a small little pump up, and then we'll start doing something like this. So I would hold off on buying anything for now. The main thing that you want to do is wait for this phase right here. Whenever you see Bitcoin doing this on the chart for 6 months, 4 to 6 months to 8 months, that, my friend, is the pattern you want to see on Bitcoin. That is where you start accumulating and you start buying, holding diamond hands. It's not yet though. It's not just that time. We're almost there though. Almost there. I feel like we have one small little pump coming up soon, and then it's going to start laying flat. And I like Optimism, man. Optimism is a really, really good blockchain and project, especially their airdrop. Their airdrop. Oh my god, I cannot talk. Their airdrop was really good, man. I got like $1,000 in like multiple wallets, yo. I freaking loved it. I cashed out 1,000 per wallet, and then I left like very few coins in there. It wasn't that many. But it was such a hassle, man. What was it? Claiming it, I think, was a bitch because some people were claiming it through the contract, through the smart contract, and people were actually managing to sell the coin for like $30 or $50 or something like that per coin. And by the time regular people wanted to sell and actually able to claim, they were selling it for $2 to $3, and the price kept going down and down and down. So the airdrop was not the best, man. I do recommend owning some Optimism though, just in case. The transactions are fast and everything. I don't have any to claim in the near term. The shortest term I have is like 100 days. And then it starts increasing like 5, 7, 10 days at a time. Not financial advice. You damn right. Crazy, man, how crypto does all this stuff, though. Okay, that's good. Oh, wait, I forgot about this. I totally forgot about this. Dang it, it didn't go through. Man. I was hoping it would go through. You have one pending transaction. This transaction will not go through. Dang, the price went up to 5 Matic now. Wow. F26. That's crazy. It went up 5x. FC6. Is that mine? Yeah. Wait, I don't even know what this one is. Guess I'll just cancel it. If it even lets me cancel it. Oh. Guess not. If you guys ever run into a problem where whenever you send a coin and the transaction gets stuck, send more of your coin to another wallet, another one of your wallets, and change the nonce. I think that's how you pronounce it. The nance, or whatever it's called. Change it to a higher amount, and then you're good. Like right here, this nonce is 0. So if I could always send to another wallet, let's say that one, I could, I'm gonna just put 1. There should be a setting somewhere around here. There's always like a setting. Oh, my settings aren't on this one. That's why. I don't have it custom, but there's usually an option where it says advanced setting or whatever, and you can change the nonce. And I usually go like 1 over the nonce of the previous one that's stuck, and then just hit confirm and send it on over, and it should cancel your other stuck transaction. Damn. That's probably going to be stuck for a hot minute. The knots. I really wanted to do more of these, man. Guys, don't forget to claim your overline land. I'm so excited for this, yo. Oh my god. Just a few more days. I am actually thinking about going to New York and going to their event. Swap strats. By the way, I think I have like 89,000 of them. You know what? Something like that. 79? No, 79 or 89. I don't remember. This is gonna be a crazy, crazy land opportunity in which you can make a lot of money, man. I don't know, man. With my strategy, I can buy a lot of O land. I don't know what you can do with yours. I can sell my O land and and do the same strategy. But for you, you can't do shit with them tokens. It's not even tradable. This is the website, man. Overline.network. Great opportunity. It's free. You get a free land, literally. So you just go on there, create an account, the verification code or whatever it is will get sent to your email, and you confirm it, then you'll be able to log in with a password. And you're just literally gonna receive a free land. 120 isn't, I'll be good. I'm close, yo. I'm really, really close to 128. Because I have another account that has a good amount of lands also. And I want to say this again. 1 free land per email. Okay, buddy. So if you have multiple emails, you didn't hear from me, I would do it. Why not? Just be very careful. Bro, I want to ask if you know anything about my MetaMask has been infected from a sweep bot. Most likely, what happened to you is that you connected your wallet to a bad website. Like whenever, for example, like Zen, whenever you connect your wallet to the website, it takes information from your wallet in order to interact with it, you know, blah blah blah. There are some scam websites to which once you connect your wallet to their site, they gain access to your coins, and once you confirm the transaction, you're in the back coding, like in the contract, in the smart contract, there's like a secret coding on there that will say that it will have access to your coins to withdraw and cash out, and it will automatically put in a bot to where if you send whatever coin you sent into that wallet, the bot will receive it instead of you. You get me? So I'm pretty sure that's what happened to you, because it did happen to me also on one of my wallets, one of my dummy wallets that I use for YouTube. That happened to me actually, so I'm pretty sure that's what it is. There's you could maybe do this. You can go onto your wallet, onto MetaMask, and click on connected sites. Once you get onto connected sites, there's going to be a list in which what applications are connected to your wallet. You can click disconnect on all of them, and your wallet will not be connected to that one specific scam website. And maybe it will work. No promises. And the link, I just put it on the chat that you can, it's free, man. It's free land. Rumor has it is that each land is going to be $199. No promises, no guarantees. I don't know if it is or not. I don't know. But hey, $199 per land. Shit, that's a lot. Plus, it's free. The last day you will be able to do a claim of free land is going to be October 24th. The lands are going to be revealed. Gen 2, which is outside of the US. Gen 1 is USA only. They are already revealed. Yeah, I want to say that, you know, whenever you're not using it, to always disconnect. The one thing is not the one thing I just showed you is not guaranteed, because maybe the bot is like already into your wallet. It's like an insect. It's already infected it. So I mean, it's worth a shot, man. You can disconnect every single website that you're connected to, and then send over like 20 cents of BNB or something very, very small. I wouldn't even do $1, and just see what happens. If you want to see for sure what's going on with your wallet, where it's going to, click on the three dots again and click on View on Explorer. Just make sure, you know, you're in the right network. So if you want to see where your BNB is going, make sure you're on VSC scan. Put in your wallet address. Like for example, you know, like mine, right? I'm gonna click on my address. This is a dummy wallet, so I don't even care about it. So this is that one wallet I just showed you, and it's gonna show you everything that this wallet has done. And let's say you send over BNB, it's gonna probably say like received, and then like 2 seconds later it's gonna say sent to whatever. That's how you're gonna do it. Yeah, it sucks though. I have been through what you just told me, man. It does suck, but that's why you have multiple wallets, dummy wallets, and then there's your main wallet that you do not share anywhere. You don't even connect it anywhere on any application, unless it's like a big major one that you already know, like Uniswap, PancakeSwap. Them are the ones I'm talking about. But if it's a website that just came out 3 days ago and you're trying to buy into the coin, hell no. Do a dummy wallet. If you make money off of that one, send your BNB or Matic or whatever to your main wallet. Stuff like that, man. And no, not $1.99, Chris. I just now saw that. $199. The one thing I do want to mention is that on Overline, the rarest land you are gonna be able to get is called a Wonderland, I think. But in order for you to make that, you're gonna need 128 lands. You're gonna be able to combine multiple ones and create a bigger acre, right? A bigger plot of land, I guess you want to call it. The bigger your land is, from my understanding, the more passive income you will be able to make. Your passive income will be able to be claimed through the website. I don't know, it could be $1, it could be $5 per land. That's why I want to tell you guys to take advantage of this. You know, if you have 10 lands making $1 a day, that's $10 every single day. Imagine how much money you are going to be making in a month. And the reveal is October 24th, and they have a lot of news coming out that day. You will be also receiving one treat per land on October 24th that you will be able to claim. From my understanding, the rare one is this one, right? Is it that one? Where is it at? Yeah, I think it's that one. Where is it at? Yes. Yeah, it is that one. The rarest treat is this one. From what they have been hinting is that you will be able to have some friends, some buddies. I'm guessing pets. Or I don't know, Metaverse partners, miners, whatever, right? They're gonna be accompanying you with your plot of land. There is a certain percentage that they will stay with you. That's what the Discord has said. So it's not guaranteed that that specific animal or person or whatever is gonna stay. So good luck to all of you guys. Just have stake tokens till 2024. So I'm trying to find a solution till then. Oh yeah. Well, hopefully you get figured that out, man. Yeah, I'm not giving myself 128 lands and combine it to. I would suggest getting 128 lands for sure. And the one thing I do want to say also is that they said you need 128 lands to be able to create the biggest and rarest land of all. That automatically made me realize that the land is not going to be worth $1. It's not. If it is $1, then the rare land is not going to be rare. That means anybody can just take $128 and create a very rare land. That's very cheap. There's no point in having something rare if everybody can have it. So I do predict that each land is going to be about minimum $10. That means the rarest land that you will be able to combine you will have to spend $1,280 minimum. That's understandable. I do see that being 35 lands is still really good. 90 more. Oh my god. These are the treats though that you will be able to get. They're gonna have an event though. I really want to go to it. It's gonna be in New York. It's gonna happen in mid-November. I'm gonna try to go, but they still have not announced what day it's gonna be exactly. So I need to know, man. Once I know the exact day, I'm gonna finally figure out, the plane ticket cost, hotel cost, all that stuff. And if I do end up deciding to go, for sure, I'm gonna live stream it. I'm gonna record a whole video about it. And I think for the people that go to this, I think that they are going to give out a free NFT or a free land of some sort, like an exclusive event NFT that for people that went. Because usually projects that do this, like a real life meetup and type stuff like that, in the event they give everybody like a scan or a certain wallet or something like that for people to just keep and cash out or something. Yeah, Chris says that he doesn't want to tell me, yo. Can you believe that, Paulo? Man. But we'll see what happens, man, on here. I hope it does good. I really hope it does good. I'm excited for it. It's free money, man. It's free. What more do you guys want? Look, free land, free coins. Just hold diamond hands and wait to see what happens. You have to pay 15? I'll pay you 30. Yeah, just tell your cousins, your sisters, your parents, uncles, start promoting it like crazy to all family and friends. If you just talk to a stranger, who cares? Go out to the street, tell them to create an account here and make a free account, make passive income, blah, 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 blah. Who cares? Hey, you'll send me a personal video? Nice. I'm about to do like a 2-minute ad for you just because you're gonna send me a video. Customized. Am I gonna have to zoom in? There are some sites that people do it, and with professional they get like 0.05. Oh, okay, I got you. Oh yeah, true. I have seen that too. I should have done like a promotional link or something like that somewhere, like in platforms and stuff like that. That's cheap. $1 each land. You're getting scammed, buddy. Yikes. What if you scam me? I'm thirsty. Man, that was good. I needed that. Who are you talking to, Chris? Me or who? And you can't send lands just yet. You will, though. What? You want my referral from what? The O land? He's like, I am you. I guess. Oh, wrong one. Where is it at? Right here. I mean, I guess. The referral is for free land. Free NFT land that will make passive income. It's literally right here. The more you have, the better. I don't even know how many I have. 89, I guess. Total, I think like 118, I think, or 110. I'm trying to get as many as I can with like my friends, family, and all that. It is hard though. I ain't gonna lie to you. Yeah, it's free land. The reveal is October 24th, so you got just a few days to be able to do it. That's funny. Yeah, the reveal is October 24th. There's gonna be rare lands making you passive income, even more passive income. Let's see, just the basics, stuff like that. This is how the lands look for the most part. Yep. It just looks so cool, man. I'm excited for it. You're gonna be able to build it, man. Combining lands, making it bigger and bigger and bigger. And eventually, if you get 128 lands, you're gonna freaking own the place, yo. That looks amazing. Heck yeah. That's a good question. I don't know when the passive income is going to be like, generated and started. Maybe in January. I'm not sure. Is that what they have said, or are you just, asking?
You don't get paid if you sleep.
That scared the hell out of me. The combining will come after October 24th. They will announce how to do it. They did say that we will be able to mint the lands in any blockchain that we want. It can be BNB, Ethereum, Matic, all of them. There is also going to be an option for Overline network. So we will be able to mint our NFTs on their own blockchain, which I suggest having at least a few with them. But remember, it's per account per email. If you have 5 emails, I would suggest you using the link, pasting it, and then sending the activation link or whatever they send you on your email to each one. If you have 10 emails, send it to each one, create on each one, get one free NFT land per email. Like, it's like, come on, yo. DLive will have some big news. If so, might start the gambling. Yes. Yeah, I was thinking that. If DLive has big news, that, I don't know, welcome gamblers, whatever, you're more than welcome to be here, so on and so forth, stuff like that, I will most likely head on over there. Joker Karam, if you find out anything before me, let me know. Send me a message on Twitter. Check lands again. The hell? Thanks. Appreciate it, buddy. Thank you so much. Nice. I have 0. Just kidding. What'd you do? The hell? I better not get I better not get like banned or my account get deleted because of you, yo. I swear. Luckily I'm recording this shit. Yeah, they already thought about that. The mail creating bot, they banned all the people that did that. Because it's pretty obvious whenever it's a bot. Somebody did have like 7,000 emails like from a bot, and they blocked his account. So they did all that stuff there. Pretty crazy, man. But yeah, just make sure you do have your account ready. Make sure you claim all your lands. Make sure all that stuff. Yeah, he made 7,000. Can you believe that? What's up, bonus hunters? Welcome. Exactly. That was way too obvious. Oh, welcome to raid, man. Appreciate everything. It's free land. I don't see why somebody wouldn't want to claim this, though. It's passive income. It's great. It works. They've been working on this since 2017, and they're finally starting to do stuff like this. which is just crazy. If each land can generate you $2, $1, imagine owning, 10. Even just 2, that's $4 a day, $30 a week. Bro, imagine the amount of opportunities you can have of just owning this. And it's risk-free because you're not investing any of your own money. That's what I love about it. But this is the Fury cast, man. Welcome to the all new members. New members, new viewers, all you guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We do have a lot of things in store for the BetFury side on Twitch. And I hope you guys are enjoying it and learning too, man. This is the future. All of this. Hopefully one day, whether it be next year or 2 years from now, you come back to me and you say, yo, thank you for letting me know about Overline. I'm making such and such amount of money every single day. I'm paying my bills, blah, blah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's the one thing, man. Whenever I switch over to YouTube and all that, DLive, it's going to be hard remembering everybody's username. I won't know who's who. That's going to be tough. Like, even on YouTube, I was just like, so who are you? It's going to take time, though. The one thing I do want to mention also is that I am going to be doing a slot tournament. So the qualification that you will need is that you have to go on to my YouTube channel and you have to be a member. The way you do it is that you go onto YouTube and you click join. So once you do that, you're pretty much part of the my YouTube community. The top 3 most active on YouTube live stream and YouTube channel in general, I will choose the top 3 on November 30th. So there's going to be like that 30-day activity. On November 30th, I'm going to choose the top 3. Each of you guys are going to be able to have a $100 bonus buy. So that's $300 total. And this is coming out of my own pocket, okay? So let's say member 1 wins 100, member 2, 200, member 3, 300. Member 3 won the most, so he gets to keep all 3 prizes, okay? So that's what, $600? And I will send over the crypto to your wallet or BetFury wallet, whatever you decide. So make sure you check it out. Go join. I guess, yeah, the YouTube is CryptoAudiKing. Check it out. You can, the link is also on my Twitter page. So, hey, I figured I'd go ahead and do so. If by any chance at some point in November I move from YouTube to DLive, or if something happens, or if by some miracle Twitch decides to undo the gambling ban, I will combine the activity from YouTube to whatever other platform I go. So as of right now, it is YouTube only. It should be there. And I don't know what I want to do with my Twitch channel, because I'm going to be doing the podcast on BetFury Official. But my own Twitch channel, I don't know. You already know what game you're going to pick? Oh, God. And here comes Karam with his good old dig, dig, dig. Yeah, I don't know why you can't find that button on your phone. That's actually really weird. It should be on there, though. Unless you got to go onto the browser on your phone and then go on desktop mode. And you should be good. I hope so. I don't know if I'm allowed to copy and paste my YouTube channel onto the chat. I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, I tweeted it out. I put it on Telegram and on Discord and all that. I put it all everywhere, as much as I could. because I want to see like however many people can get in there. Plus, it would be a really good YouTube video that I can make. It just has a lot of opportunity, buddy, for top 3. Bro, I've had multiple $100 bonus buys that paid out $1,000 plus. Mainly on Gates. Gates was on fire last night, man. It turned $75 to 14K, but I cashed out, I think it was like 10 or 11K. $75, that's insane. Are you on your phone also, Queen? That's weird. Yeah, you probably do have to use the PC. I was on my phone and it popped up on me on my end. It says right here. It should be on there. That's actually really weird. May have to go onto your Google Chrome browser or Safari, whatever device you're using, and try to get it there. 12, that's something, man. 12 lands is good. If one land makes you $1, there you go. Just do the math. And yeah, it must be. I think you have to pay the first month, right? From what I remember. There probably is a fee, but that's you paying the month. The 1 month. I think. That's gonna be an exciting day, man. I think, when is that gonna land on? November 30th? That's gonna be on a Wednesday. So I will be live this day right here. And I will do the tournament with you guys live. Shit, I might actually bring y'all on board on Discord or Telegram or something where I can just listen to you and we're chilling, we're talking and shit like that. That way each of us will have a turn. Well, each of you guys will have a turn to like communicate and talk. So yeah, I can do that. That sounds really good. Bro, imagine one of you guys getting a max win. Oh my god, nah, that won't be fair. The one time. Okay, I'm gonna check Discord real quick. Let's see. So you go on there, subscribe. Oh yeah, it's not on there. Yo, that is actually really weird. Let's try something. I'm gonna click on this one. Try clicking on one of my videos and see if the join button is on there. Try that. Oh, now that I see that screenshot, I see the live video. I accidentally went live yesterday at like 9 or 10 o'clock at night whenever I was doing the Zen payout, the wallets and all that. I accidentally clicked live. So I was live for like 15 seconds and I noticed it because on my left side it said live. And I was like, what the fuck? And so I closed down and I deleted the stream so fast. Yeah, I'm not sure. It might even be on y'all's settings. I just not realized the face that she's making. Yeah, it might be on the settings, man. You could easily just go onto Google. Why isn't the join on YouTube available? The join button is not yet launched on some platforms. Viewers can, however, become members on desktop. You can still get access to perks, blah, 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 blah. If the channel has enabled the feature, you'll see a join button on their channel. To become the member, blah, 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 blah. Why isn't it showing up? Yeah, it's a monthly fee. I'm planning to also do this maybe once every month. It just depends on how good it goes, how the traction on YouTube. It depends, of course, how gambling goes throughout the month. If 1 month I do really, really good, I can bump it up to like $200 per person, and the one winner gets everything. Stuff like that, man. So it all depends. Maybe once every 2 months, but of course that's not going to be the only perk. I got a few things more in mind. Oh, maybe. Probably, yo. Yeah, it is a monthly thing. And I tried editing the amount too, but it didn't let me. And then here's the second news. Oh. I already set aside the Solana for the NFT. Where's it at? Fury Raccoons. Right here. So this is the NFT Fury Raccoons. Make sure you mint one, because each of these are going to be able to make you and earn passive income. One NFT to mint is going to cost 1 SOL, which is approximately $30 plus gas fee. I did put a random amount of 5,000. 62 have already sold, which is pretty good. And tomorrow I made a small little presentation for one of my buddies on Twitter that has really, really good following, so he can understand everything behind it. So now that you guys are here and there's a good amount of people watching, so this is under the Solana network, as you guys can see. Minting one will give you payouts of Solana. What I'm planning to do is take a certain percentage of however many I sell, and I'm gonna go. BetFury is gonna swap the Solana to BFG. The BFG is gonna be staked onto BetFury, and we're gonna be getting passive income from BetFury itself. And not only that, but the royalties from the exchange marketplaces, the royalties will also be used to buy more BFG back and forth. And I'm also planning to use funds from collaborations, revenue, ad revenue, and so many other things in store for, so that way our BFG bag can continue to grow. We are already on Magic Eden. The Discord is also linked on there, and Hyperspace is also on there. So, just in case you guys want to go ahead and do so, that's fine. Actually, I'm going to copy this and create another. I'm going to go ahead and create another one just in case. Copy. Boom. 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 Paste. Copy. That way you guys can go ahead and mint one if you decide to. That's the link that I put right now on the chat in case you guys want to go ahead and mint a Fury Raccoon. By the way, Fury Raccoons are not associated with BetFury. They're not in charge, none of that. This is my project. I thought about this. I wanted to give back to the community, for the BetFury community. So I figured, why not, man? I'm planning to do the payouts once a month right now. So the snapshot is going to be at a random time throughout the month, and the payouts will go straight to your wallet, the one that is holding your NFT. Yeah. It's probably the websites that I paid. Them websites were expensive, yo. I had to sell some, not even sell. I had to send over some Solana to the websites promoting it, and it seems to have worked pretty good, man. I mean, better than zero. Dang, still Paulo? That's a long time. Um, I am planning to do an airdrop, to a one-time airdrop to all the NFT holders, only because it has been a hot minute. It's been like a week, 2 weeks, whatever how long minute's been since it launched. So I'm planning to do a Solana airdrop sometime the end of this month, the first week of November. So one of the the last week of October, first week of November is I'm planning to do a airdrop for holders, a Solana airdrop. So one of them days you're gonna randomly receive a certain amount of Solana to your wallet. I don't know how much yet. It could be 0.1, 0.05, 0.069, something like that. Knowing me, it's probably gonna be 0.69. So yeah, I'm planning to do a small little gift appreciation for those that supported and minted and held and just pretty much believed in me. So expect some Solana for you holding, and then the first payout for the holders I'm estimating to be November 30th. And the payout is going to be once a month for now until the payouts slowly get bigger and bigger. And then eventually it will turn into once every 2 weeks. And then once our bag gets big enough, because I got to, convert and swap and all that stuff and send it over and pay the transaction fee for sending the wallets. I'll eventually, the goal is to turn it into once a week. Hopefully. Yeah, Chris, I really do appreciate you doing all that also. Once I'm settled down on YouTube, if, I don't switch over to D Live, I'm trying to find like, where I'm gonna set at, like 100% be at. Once I'm settled in, I'm gonna contact I'm gonna probably contact like 2 people, 3 people max, to be mods and just pretty much help me out on live streams and help me out on giveaways, help me out on promotions, help me out with ideas, marketing, stuff like that. So I need to know for a fact everything. So yeah, make sure you're checking out your DMs first though, because I could randomly just send you a message saying, "Hey, you want to come cuddle? I mean, work. But if you want to cuddle too, that's fine. I'll take it." I forgot my transition. Oh, what does it say again? Oh yeah, Fury cast. Swoosh. There we go. Good question. I like that. That's smart. Good. I'm glad almost nobody is. Right, and then all of a sudden, watch 30 or 40 of them come at me now. But so far, 62 have been minted, man. I already sent over the Solana to the wallet, and then I just gotta wait for it to swap to BFG. He's trying to. He's the worm. He's trying to bait in people. That's crazy. Yo, that is actually so funny. I'm sorry. I always do that, yo. Bro. I'm actually gonna take a picture for this for YouTube. Not YouTube, I'm sorry, for Snapchat. I'm also planning to do like uploads, small little uploads on TikTok. I gotta change my name on TikTok. I'm probably gonna have it something else. Furycast, AudDeKing. I don't know, something like that. I don't know. Yeah, I'm about to call it quits also. It's already 10:30 and I work tomorrow and I gotta wake up at 5 a.m. My goodness. But yeah, make sure you mint, guys. Passive income. And the tournament will take place November 30th. I will take information for 30 days. The month of November, I'll see the top 3 most active, and each one will buy. I'm going to buy them a $100 feature. Whichever one pays the most out of all 3, the winner will take all profit. Then BFG price, that's good. Zen, oh, I love Zen, man. Make sure y'all do y'all's research on Zen token as well. Don't miss out on that. Furycast, the podcast. Oh, dude, that actually sounds really good. I also typed somewhere on Discord, I think, or Telegram. I can't remember. I put come learn and earn. Yeah, I put something like that. I don't know. I just felt like it sounded badass though. Mark the date. We're at. I'm recording this whole entire session anyways. I'm gonna save it in my I'm gonna probably save it like in a flash drive or something and put today's date and everything. But like I was gonna say, man, I do apologize for going all over the place on talking into discussions. That's funny. Is that what you guys want to do? Oh, how many things did I even cover? I did cover quite a few things. Zen, Overline, the price, Bitcoin, and all that stuff. Oh my goodness, yeah, you're right. I was fucking all over the place. 2 hours and 30 minutes. I doesn't even feel like that. Oh my god. Oh yeah, BSW, BFG. Oh my god. I'm so sorry, guys. That I've always been like that, man. Whenever I go into one topic, I change into another, and then I go on. But hey, that's a podcast. No, I'm just kidding. I like that. I'm gonna copy that and paste it. Copy, paste. I'm gonna save it onto here too. Appreciate it, man. I will be live tomorrow on YouTube at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we're gonna go right back into that grind. Ooh, I like that one too. I'm gonna save both. Oh wow. You guys are freaking smart, man. I wish I was smart. Imagine. Oland just tweeted out something. I got notifications on Oland and Zen and a few other things too. If this is true, Oland has 9,000% more users on the site at any given time than Decentraland. That's huge. Every hour, 1,000 people join. Crypto Twitter Discord has forgotten that most of the world runs on email. Oland is the bridge to Web3 and the Metaverse using your email until October 24th. $1.2 billion in Metaverse horrified by report it only had 38 active users. Damn. October 11th, Decentraland, Metaverse, virtual. Wait till you see the global activity feed, which lets you watch live everything happening in the Oland world in the sky. New Olanders, new racetracks. O Friends found. Yeah, O Friends. Bro, I'm so freaking hyped about this. Oh my god, I'm so glad we're in early. Let's fucking go. Yes. Y'all better start claiming that land, boy. I swear. I'm gonna be so sad if y'all miss out on this opportunity. That's dope. 9,000% more than Decentraland? That alone is mind blowing. Heck yeah. Smarted. Think smarter, not harder. Ooh, no one's left behind. I like that one too. I'm gonna copy and paste that one too. Man, I swear. Whenever I'm thinking about shit and like stuff I want to do and ideas to like grow and the marketing side that sounds good and appealing, it takes me hours for me to come up with something good. Bro, do y'all even know how long it took me for my intro on YouTube to come out? It took me like 2-3 years to finally figure out what the fuck I was gonna say on the intro. Literally. As sad as that sounds, it took me forever. Until one random ass day I just said it, and then I was like, that's good enough. I guess I'll stay. My intro or the song intro? The song's turning me mad. Good. Man, to be honest, on a real note though, yeah, I was thinking about changing it though. The intro made my channel how it is. You get me? Yeah, cuz like my channel grew because of that intro. Like at one point it was all over the place, and every time I would comment somewhere or tweet something, like people were always like you didn't get paid if you sleep in and stuff like that. So it was good. It was fun while it lasted. All right, buddy. Yeah, go ahead and get you some sleep. Hopefully, I'll be seeing you tomorrow on YouTube whenever I be spending my money and hopefully making some money, man. He's a good tattoo artist. I don't know about singer and writer though. I did have one more thing I wanted to talk about, but since I already got onto that, I'm jumping from topic to topic to topic. I'm gonna save that for next stream, for the next podcast. So hopefully it does good. Hopefully this whole entire podcast does good, man. I do want it to happen. I want to keep it alive. It's a lot of fun in general, and being able to like interact with you guys, teaching y'all something. You guys asking me questions, wanting to learn things. I love that type of stuff, man. And if everything goes good, this whole setup and the background and all that stuff is gonna look more like a podcast. But for right now, it's just like a test run. See how BetFury likes it and all that. Fingers crossed. Do you guys have any more questions for me? If not, then I'm gonna go ahead and call it there. 2 hours and 40 minutes sounds really good to me. I think I hear my bed calling me. Something is. It's probably Maya. Yeah, I definitely agree with you, Paulo. Oh my god. There's times that it's stressful. You don't know if you're gonna walk away with positive or walk away negative. My goodness. But yeah, it looks like it is gonna be it for this podcast, man. Thank you so much for joining. I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow on my YouTube live. I'm gonna deposit 1,000, maybe. Yeah, somewhere around there. We'll beat up Gates again. That 1-2 knocker. He ain't ready for this, man. These guns, not ready. I'm gonna try to bring the lotion in tomorrow too. But alright guys, hopefully y'all have a great night, good morning, whatever time zone you're in. And no problem for the knowledge, man. I'm just trying to pass it along. It's 7 years worth of stuff, so bear with me. I'm gonna try to put it all together into one. Yeah, tomorrow live stream on my YouTube. So hopefully I'll see you all there. And remember, join the YouTube membership and all that stuff. That way I can give away more money. And thank you all. Max win, hopefully, man. 3:36 a.m. Oh my lord. Yeah, definitely time for you to go to sleep. Y'all take it easy, man. Thank you for the logo help. Thank you for the advice that you guys wanted. Staying here, talking, chilling, hanging out. 5:36. Bro, you guys don't even know how much I freaking love you guys. Not many people would want to stay that late or that early, technically, to watch somebody. And I promise you, I'll try to make it up, to every single one of you guys. Yeah, I'm trying my best to reward y'all as much, man. Y'all deserve it. My goodness. But alright, guys, that is it. Thank you once again. I'm out. Y'all have a good one. See y'all tomorrow. Peace.